G'day and welcome back to the Aussie Motorhome and RV show, powered by RV3D, Australia's custom 3D printing specialists for caravans, motorhomes and RVs. Find them at rv3d.com.au. Episode 6. Clever Organisation, Hacks You Can't Buy in a Retail Store. A listener wrote in asking, I've run out of storage space, but I can't find anything that fits my specific rig. What do other full-timers do? This is one of the most common frustrations in the community, and the answer comes down to one realization. Retail storage products are designed for the average. But there is no average motorhome. Every rig is different. Different manufacturers, different layouts, different dimensions, different internal configurations. A storage solution that fits perfectly in one motorhome won't come close in another. You end up with a drawer organizer that's 5 millimeters too wide, or a rack that doesn't account for a weird angle in your cabinet. And when you're living in this space full-time on a big lap, those small frustrations compound over weeks and months into real quality of life issues. Remote Australian travel makes the storage challenge even harder. You're carrying more water, food, spare parts, tools, medical supplies, because you can't always pop into a shop when you need something. The storage demands of a serious outback traveller are very different from someone staying in caravan parks close to towns. The first shift is thinking vertically. Most RV storage is designed horizontally, shelves, drawers, flat surfaces, but vertical space is almost always underused. Door-mounted storage, wall-mounted holders, items that hang rather than sit. These open up space that most people walk past every day. Torch holders are a great example. A small custom bracket on the inside of a door or cabinet puts your torch exactly where you need it, accessible in the dark, not rolling around in a drawer somewhere. RV3D makes exactly this kind of solution. A simple PETG bracket that mounts inside a door and holds a torch, securely even on rough roads. Small, practical, solves a daily frustration that no general storage product ever could. External storage bays are massively underutilized. They're often just a big open space where things slide around and get buried. Adding custom dividers, trays, and organized holders transforms them. And because the dimensions of every external bay are different, off-the-shelf solutions rarely work as well as custom ones. RV3D's toilet hatch storage solution is a good example. A completely unused space becomes functional organized storage. Check rv3d.com.au and see what's available. But also know that custom work is available for problems not already in the catalogue. Dead space under and behind things is the biggest missed opportunity. The space under a fixed bed is often enormous and poorly used. The space behind a fridge, the narrow gaps beside cabinets. These awkward shapes that standard products can't address are exactly what custom solutions are designed for. The cab is often an afterthought. A commercial vehicle cab suddenly being used as a daily living space needs phone mounts that actually work. Sunglasses holders, document storage, cable management for charging. Simple custom brackets that fit your specific cab layout make a real difference to the daily driving experience. The mindset shift is from, what can I buy that fits, to what can I make that fits perfectly? And this is where 3D printing changes the game for RV organization. Instead of adapting your habits to products designed for the average, you have solutions designed for your exact space, your exact habits, your exact equipment. Do a frustration audit. Spend a day noting every time you can't find something, something falls over, or you have to move 3 things to get to one thing. That list is your priority list. For each item, is there a retail product that solves it exactly? If yes, buy it. If not, explore custom. For Australian RV owners, rv3d.com.au is the starting point. Next episode, the winter power diet. Managing solar shortfalls in June and July when days are short and the sun is low. This has been the Aussie Motorhome and RV show, powered by RV3D, for custom 3D printed parts built for Australian conditions. Visit rv3d.com.au. That's rv3d.com.au. Safe travels, and we'll see you next episode.